So the sun is slowly going down now, so I think I'm gonna stop reading for a minute and use the last bit of daylight to go for a walk and just enjoy the weather because it's still so nice and warm. So yeah, I'm gonna pack up now, take my things, go for a walk, go home, have a shower and then read in bed, which sounds like the perfect Friday evening.
I've been spending time thinking about the time I spent on things that I despised and all the sleepless nights. Ambition cast aside for TV and wishing and dreaming, but I'm still waiting on a sign, like I believe in something, like something believes in me. The waiting is too easy, wishing is too easy. Nothing that's easy will free me. And this is where I turn around and make my way back to reckless and naive, and I refuse to listen to this sound. The future is loud, but my friends are with me now, and now will last a while. I used to never smile, show my teeth or be open to change, but all of my friends are with me now. I may lose my way, you know I already lost it today.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is felt deep in my heart. And by chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game. We haven't known each other long, but God, it's
Just come back from the park now. It's already dark outside, as you can probably see in the back. But yeah, I think we went there around 3 and just ended up sitting in the hammocks, just snacking so much, chatting, listening to music. And me and Melissa also fell asleep for a bit. So yeah, it was a very relaxing and wholesome Saturday. Basically did plenty of resting today because we're gonna move out of this flat tomorrow. Yeah, I feel like I'm a bit delusional because I haven't started packing anything, and I think I'm just gonna wing it tomorrow, which might not be like the best way to go about it. But to be fair, we don't have to like move everything out of the flat. It's just our bed and everything in our bedroom needs to go to the new place. Fingers crossed it's not gonna be too hectic, but I'll take you along with me as much as I can. I'm gonna chill out now and then I'm not getting to bed too late because I need all my energy tomorrow to move house.
Every single time I wake up, and breathe these drugs don't seem to help to relieve all the things that are fucking with me all the time. They all tell me that love is the key, what a love they step us right by where we leave, we're living in a small world full of greed, peace, not fine. You said it's when I'm standing outside, come better one.
is all over the place. Right, so as you can see, it's absolute chaos in this apartment at the moment. Yeah, there's not really a method to the madness. As I said yesterday, I haven't really got a plan or structure. I'm just gonna wing it, and that's exactly what's happening right now. The bed and some of our clothes are already on our way to the new place. We're just gonna go back and forth all day, just trying to move as much as possible out of this flat. Yeah, I'm just gonna take 5 minutes to myself, eat my yogurt, and then continue packing up. Okay, so we basically just got here, unpacked a few bits, and then just sat down, relaxed, because both me and Cameron just felt so knackered after today. And to be honest, we've done pretty well. We managed to move majority of our things out of the old apartment into this new place, and it already just feels so nice to be here. The atmosphere overall is a lot calmer. I love that we've got a garden now. It looks really nice. Just having a garden is so nice in general. I love just sitting outside, eating my food outside. So yeah, I'm just really happy to be here, but I'm also really tired. It's probably around 8 now, so what was these? Did that bit. Oh, what is it? Ah, that's the... Oh, you can already see the lights. Oh. That's cute. We could use them for the bedroom. Wait. Ooh, that's bright.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Dimmer.
Oh, that's cool.
And then you can turn these on at the same time.
I don't really like that they remind me of Christmas lights.
They're LEDs, of course they don't remind you of Christmas.
Yeah. Right, I'm overexposed. Why am I overexposed?
Oh, fuck! Blinded myself. Oh, Jesus.
Shut up.
Literally whacked myself with full beam in the face.
But yeah, I really wanted to go for a walk earlier because there's a lot of woodland around us now, but I'm just so tired. You can probably tell. I can't even open my eyes properly. So yeah, I think I might just have a shower. I hope that you enjoyed